Hello everyone, thank you and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's YouTube video, I'll be comparing to you the different subscriptions which are under the M365 business line of subscriptions. Okay, you know, in Microsoft 365 we have the business plan, we have the home plan, and we have the enterprise plan also. So the business plan basically is suitable for organizations with a maximum of 300 staff. All right, maximum 300 staff or users that will be onboarded. Okay, so anything above 300 users, it is encouraged that you go for the enterprise plan. So under the business plan, these are the subscriptions that you have. You have the basic, which costs $6 per user per month, paid yearly. That means if you are paying yearly, this is what the monthly fee would come up to. However, if you choose to pay monthly, at the top, and not to worry, I will drop this link in this video. At the top, if you selected the monthly plan, you will see that this changes to $7.20 per user per month. So actually, when you pay yearly, you actually save about 16%. Okay, the standard plan costs $12.50 per user per month, paid yearly also. The premium plan costs $22 per user per month, paid yearly. And then we also have the apps for business, okay, and this costs $8.25 paid monthly, per user per month, paid yearly also. So what exactly is the difference between all of these? Now when you scroll down, you will see a lot of information here about each of these, right? But basically, let me explain it this way. The basic plan is the list of all the plans, okay, the very least, right? So this gives you access to the apps and services. Okay, however, you can only use them on the web. That means you can use the Excel, the Word, the Outlook on the web. You are not able to install the applications on your devices. However, with the business standard, you can actually, install the mobile version and the desktop version of these applications on your devices, right? Whereas the premium plan is actually very interesting. This gives you access to more advanced identity and access management as well. So basically, it helps you do more in terms of security and control. Whereas the apps for business is basically for installing popular apps on your devices, but this excludes chat and calling. So basically, you can install the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook on your devices, right? But you cannot use, for example, Teams, okay, and other apps. Now when you scroll down again, you will see a comparison table. Here again, you can see that the number of allowed users on each of these plans is maximum 300. All right, and here you can see you can use the basic only on the web and mobile apps, whereas for the rest you can install them on up to 5 PCs or Macs, 5 tablets, and 5 mobile devices. All of them give you up to 1 TB storage per user for OneDrive. Okay, the premium plan allows you upgrade to Windows 11 Pro, and then when we scroll down again, you can see a lot more comparison between these. Okay, and now as I mentioned, on the apps for business, you don't get access to Microsoft Teams. That is why you don't see an option for chat, calling, and meetings. Okay, on the business basic plan, you do not have the ability to host webinars with attendee registration and reporting, but you can do that with the standard and the premium plan. Okay, so this is just a brief overview. I encourage you can come over to to this page and actually look at this by yourself. Now what I just showed you is the plan that comes with Microsoft Teams. If you look up here, it says plans with Teams. Okay, however, if peradventure in your organization maybe you do not require Teams, all right, there are plans without Microsoft Teams. And if we look at that, you will see this is what they cost per user per month, paid annually. Okay, you can always check out what it pays monthly also, but for annual commitment, this is what it comes down to. Okay, Microsoft Business Basic without Teams, this is what it comes to. Same with standard, and then also for the premium. All right. You can also decide to get Copilot, which we know is everywhere these days, right? You can also get them as a package. That is Business Basic and Copilot. This is what it will cost you per user per month, paid yearly. And also, if your organization is a non-profit, Microsoft also actually has some packages for you. Also, you can see Business Basic non-profit. It's actually a grant. You get it as a grant. For business standard non-profit staff pricing, you get it at $3 per user per month, and the premium is $5.50 per user per month. So I hope this has been insightful. Please drop any comments or questions that you might have, and I will attend to it. Thank you, and bye for now.